In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter RSU sales in TurboTax. If you have restricted stock units, or RSUs, that you've sold during the tax year, it's important to know how to report these accurately in TurboTax to ensure compliance with tax regulations. So, let's get started on this step-by-step guide to entering your RSU sales information. First, you'll want to open TurboTax Online for the 2025 tax year. After logging in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. From here, look for the Income section and click on it. This will take you to a detailed list of various income types that you may need to report on your tax return. Next, navigate to Investments and Savings. This section is where you'll handle any income derived from investments, including the sale of your RSUs. Once you find this section, click on it to proceed. TurboTax will ask you if you sold any investments during the year. Be sure to click Yes to confirm that you did have investment sales. After confirming your investment sales, you'll be presented with different ways to enter this information. Here, you will see an option labeled Enter a Different Way. Click on this option as it allows you to manually input the details of your RSU sales, which is essential for ensuring accuracy. Then, you will need to choose Type it in myself. This step is crucial because it gives you the opportunity to manually enter all the necessary details of your RSU transactions. This includes the sale date, the number of shares sold, the sale price, and any fees or commissions that were deducted from the sale. Having this information on hand before you start will make the process smoother. As you fill in the details, TurboTax will guide you through the process, asking for specifics about your RSU sales. Make sure you have your brokerage statements or transaction confirmations handy to ensure accuracy. It's important to double-check all the figures you enter to avoid any discrepancies with your tax reporting. Once you've entered all the necessary information, TurboTax will use this data to calculate your capital gains or losses from the RSU sales. This calculation is important because it determines how much tax you owe on these transactions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully enter your RSU sales into TurboTax. Remember, accuracy is key when dealing with investment income, so take your time and make sure everything is entered correctly. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tax tips.